Let's read some fun sight words. Here we go. A pink dinosaur wants to read sight words. A frog says, hello. Some bunnies say, hello. Let's read the word hello. Hello. Let's meet Clara. She will teach us some fun sight words. Here is the first sight word. It is jump. Jump, jump, jump. See the cupcake jump up and down. Now let's read the word jump. Jump. Here is the next sight word. It is run. Run. Look at this fellow run. Now let's read the word run. Here it is. Run. How about another word? This word is sun. Sun. Now let's read the word sun. 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 Can you read this sight word? That's right. It is big. Big. Let's read it together. Big. Big. Are you ready to read this word? What is it? It is a cat. Cat. Now let's read this word together. Cat. Cat. Are you ready to read this word? Play. Play. These children are having so much fun at play. Let's read the word play together. Play. This is my favorite word. Let's read it together. Love. Love. L-O-V-E spells love. Clara, the pink dinosaur, wants you to read this word. Rainbow. 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 Clara, the pink dinosaur, wants to play with her toys. This word is toys. Toys. Let's read the word together. Toys. Here are some sentences. Let's read them together. Let's jump and run. Let's read it again. Let's jump and run. I love my cat. One more time. I love my cat. The sun is big. The sun is big. Great reading. Here's another sentence. Let's play with our toys. Let's play with our toys. Say hello to a rainbow. That's a fun sentence, isn't it? Say hello to a rainbow. Now, let's say the words one more time. Can you read them with me? Hello. Hello. Jump. Jump. Run. Run. Sun. Sun. Big. Big. Cat. Cat. Rainbow. Rainbow. Play. Play. Love. Love. Toys. Toys. Great job reading.
Please subscribe to Miss Holly Teaches. Thank you very much. See you soon.